CQ, hello radio. CQ, 219 McIntosh, San Francisco Bay. 219 San Francisco Bay. Roger, Dallas, Texas. I hear you, man. What are your numbers out there? This is 219 McIntosh, San Francisco Bay. Roger, 1958 Wichita. I hear you, 1958. You're a little over the rest of them there. McIntosh, 219, CB Radio on the YouTube. Check there, 1956 Wichita. Thanks for coming back, man. McIntosh, 219, CB Radio on the YouTube. I think I heard Arkansas out there calling the McIntosh, 219. Go ahead. Five 434 219 219 San Francisco. Check 434. You coming in strong in the Bay Area, man. McIntosh 219 CB Radio on the YouTube. Look how live it is. Look at that. I should use this. So these are different frequencies, and I could see people talking on them. Right there. You can see the skip coming in and out. Pretty interesting. See that? $19.58 Wichita. Yes, I hear you, man. 219 McIntosh, San Francisco Bay. Check, I'm on the side. See it? Three, 2-1 Dallas, 219 San Francisco Bay. Macintosh 219 CB Radio on the YouTube. Hello, hello. I hear you, Grassy Knoll. Grassy Knoll 219 Macintosh, San Francisco Bay. Station calling 219. Go ahead. Check, check. Trying my best, man. Sorry. This is Macintosh 219 CB Radio on the YouTube. Check, check. Macintosh 219. Clear.